Welcome to day 15 of 90 Days Reels Challenge, and today we are going to discuss about doji and how it performs in order to reverse the trend. As I've already mentioned in yesterday's reel that a doji is a candle where there is an indecisiveness between bulls and the bears. So let's take an example that after an uptrend, there is a candle which is formed that is doji where the bulls and bears are not able to decide. And after a doji, if there is a formation of a red candle, maybe like a normal red candle or a big body red candle, based on which the confirmation has happened, and from that point of time the uptrend can get converted into a downtrend with a reversal pattern called as doji. And on the opposite side, after a downtrend, if doji happens, and after that point of time, if we get a bullish confirmation with a bullish candle, maybe a big body, maybe a normal green candle as well, with very good volume and other confirmations as well, from that point of time a downtrend can get converted into an uptrend as well. And this is like a short example, a short glimpse of how doji works as a trend reversal. I'll see you tomorrow with a new candle pattern.